Are you ready to shine in your next meeting or team discussion? Proposing ideas confidently at work is a game changer for your career. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 engaging role plays that showcase powerful phrases and how to use them in different workplace scenarios.
In this brainstorming session, we see Alex presenting an idea and Priya responding confidently.
I've been thinking about a new approach, focusing more on interactive content. What do you think?
That could be interesting. It might increase engagement. Notice how Priya uses a supportive and engaging response to contribute to the discussion.
In a weekly teamed meeting, Jai proposes a solution, and Emily provides constructive feedback. I have a suggestion that may help with the project timeline. It's to implement a sprint-based schedule for this phase.
That sounds like it could streamline our process. Let's discuss it further.
Emily's phrase, "Let's discuss it further," invites collaboration while showing support.
In this one-on-one, Sam proposes a new workflow idea to Mr. Gupta.
We could explore a flexible workflow model, as it aligns with our strategic priorities and could enhance productivity.
I see your point, Sam. It's worth considering. Can you prepare a brief on this?
Sam's confident proposal highlights his proactive approach, while Mr. Gupta's response indicates interest.
During a cross-departmental meeting, Chris suggests a budget adjustment to Sarah.
Would it be worth considering reallocating part of the budget to automation? It could lead to increased efficiency and reduce long-term costs.
That's an interesting angle, Chris. Let's run the numbers on that.
Chris uses "would it be worth considering" to frame his idea as valuable without being forceful.
Nina suggests an enhancement to a project workflow during a problem-solving discussion.
I'm confident that by introducing a feedback loop system after every project, we could make a significant difference because it would address client concerns directly and strengthen relationships.
That makes a lot of sense, Ria. When can we start implementing it? Nina's use of "here's how it can work" provides clarity and confidence.
Maria shares an informal idea with John during a break.
I wanted to share a thought on improving team morale, a monthly wellness day. It could really help people recharge and boost productivity.
That's a great idea, Maria. I think people would love it.
Maria's casual tone makes the idea feel approachable and relatable.
Lisa proposes a project adjustment to Mark in a meeting.
Can we look into automating part of the review process? I think it has potential to reduce turnaround times.
That's doable, and it could save us a lot of manual work.
The phrase "can we look into" makes Lisa's proposal sound collaborative.
Kelly shares a development idea during her performance review.
Would it be worth considering adding mentorship workshops to our training schedule? It could potentially lead to stronger team skills and better collaboration.
Interesting point, Kelly. I'll discuss this with HR and see how we can incorporate it.
Kelly's question shows initiative and her commitment to team growth. In a collaborative planning meeting, Ria suggests an idea to Tom.
Let's brainstorm ways to implement a teaser campaign for the launch. It could build anticipation and boost our initial engagement.
Good idea, Ria. I have a few concepts I could share for this.
Ria's phrase, "let's brainstorm," encourages team participation. Mastering the art of proposing ideas confidently can set you apart and boost your career growth. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be ready to speak up and make your voice heard in any workplace situation.